Cathy Lamb from Music Share, and I'm going to do 10 minutes of lovely singing with you. So I want you to get on your feet, let's get energised, and I want you to just firstly stretch your arms out. Imagine you're pushing the walls away. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and then we're going to roll our shoulders because it's really important when we're singing to be really relaxed, okay? Our bodies are our instruments, so we have to make sure we're not tense anywhere, okay? So have a little shake, all right? In fact, we're going to shake this arm, and then we're going to shake this arm, and then we're going to shake this leg, and we're going to shake the other leg. All right, so fantastic. I want you to make sure that your feet are slightly apart, okay? So you can see if I was to take my shoulders now to my toes, they'd be in around the same sort of place. And you want to make sure your knees aren't locked, so you want to have nice bouncy knees. Good tall back, okay? Nice tall neck, i.e. the back of the neck, so that your chin is nice and level. Fantastic. Then I want you to take your thumb, and I want you to put it here on your belly button, and then your hand underneath here, and I want you to go shh, 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 shh. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Yee, yee, yee. Yee, yee, yee. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Very good. So very quick warm up that was, and we are now going to move on to a really nice silly song. Okay, so can you say for me, who stole my chickens and my hens? Your turn. Who stole my chickens and my hens? And then it goes, who stole my chickens and my hens? Your turn. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Very good. Then it goes, who stole my chickens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? All right, so here's a note, and we're going to start learning the song. Okay, so I'm going to sing, and then I want you to copy. Okay, so it goes, who stole my chickens and my hens? Your turn. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Then it goes, who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Then, who stole my chickens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Brilliant. I'm going to do it in slightly bigger chunks, okay? So it goes, who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Your turn. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Then it goes, who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Brilliant. We're going to try the whole song. You ready? 2, 3, go. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Very good, but I'm going to make it harder for you now because I want you to clap on the word chickens. Okay, ready? 2, 3, go. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Good. Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Nearly clapped at the wrong place there. Okay, fantastic. Then we're going to stamp on the word hens, all right? So clap for chickens, stamp for hens, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Very good indeed. All right, so I would like you now now to put chickens and hens in your thinking voice, okay? So you're only going to do the actions at those points, okay? So let's see if we can do it, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Who stole my mama? Who stole my mama? Who stole my? Who stole my? Who stole my mama? Haha, brilliant. So just to finish, let's sing it all one more time with the words and the actions. Okay, 2, 3, go. Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Who stole my chickens? Who stole my hens? Who stole my chickens and my hens? Fabulous. Okay. Well, unusually for me, I decided to write a song today. I've been inspired by the current situation, and this is called The New Normal. I hope you like this song. I'm going to teach it to you. Okay, so the first bit, can you say for me, the new normal? The new normal. Doesn't have to be scary. Doesn't have to be scary. Doesn't have to be strange. Doesn't have to be strange. It'll all be okay. It'll all be okay, okay? I'm going to sing it for you so you see how it sounds, because there are quite big gaps in between the phrases, okay? So here's the first note, and it goes like this. The new normal doesn't have to be scary, doesn't have to be strange. It'll all be okay. So you can hear there are big gaps, okay? So here's the first little bit that goes like this. Let's do call and response. So the first bit goes, the new normal. Okay, your turn. The new normal. Good, then it goes, doesn't have to be scary. Your turn. Doesn't have to be scary. Good, then it goes, doesn't have to be strange. Your turn. Doesn't have to be strange. Then it goes, it'll all be okay. Here we go. It'll all be okay. Should we try the whole of that? The new 1, 2, 3. The new normal doesn't have to be scary. Doesn't have to be strange. It'll all be okay. Fabulous. Listen to the next bit. It goes, if you're feeling your turn. 1, 2, 3. If you're feeling good, then it goes, just a little bit worried. Your turn. Just a little bit worried. Good, then it goes, tell your friends all about it. Your turn. Tell your friends all about it. Then we got a little change. It'll brighten your day. Your turn. It'll brighten your day. Very good. There was that little change because in music we have phrases like sentences. Okay, they're musical, they're called phrases, and we want that one to sound more like a full stop at that point. So we have that little bit of a change. All right. Good. Then we have this middle section which sounds like this. So first bit goes, hang out with your family. Your turn. Hang out with your family. Then it goes, ride out on your bike. Go. Ride out on your bike. Very good. Drift into a fantasy. Drift into a fantasy. Go anywhere you like. Go anywhere you like. Good. So let's just go back to hang out with your family. Let's see if we can put all that together. 2, 3, go. Hang out with your family. Ride out on your bike. Drift into a fantasy. Go anywhere you like. The new normal. And that takes us back. Okay, so that's the whole song. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Let's see if we can do the whole thing all together. Okay, we have a funky introduction first. The new normal doesn't have to be scary. Doesn't have to be strange. It'll all be okay. If you're feeling just a little bit worried, tell your friends all about it. It'll brighten your day. Awesome. So well done. You did the world's first performance of that song just now. Fantastic. So great to sing with you. I'm going to be doing quite a few of these sessions, so do join in. Singing is such a great thing to do to can make you feel happy. So take care.